Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can convert horizontal videos to vertical videos and split them and then add stroke line in Shotcut. So to do that, open Shotcut and start a project by giving it a name. Then add your video to it and drag it to the timeline. Well, since it's really a short clip, I'm decreasing its speed under Properties tab. Now add another video track and duplicate the clip by copying and pasting it. Now we have two identical tracks. Now split the part of the clip you want to show as a vertical clip. Then under Settings menu, go to Custom under Video Mode and click on Add. Here it's giving you a warning to save the backup file of your project before making any changes because it does not automatically adjust the things that are sensitive to size and position if you change the resolution or aspect ratio. Since I want to change the layout or video mode from horizontal to vertical, I'm clicking on Yes. Well, you can check this box and it will not warn you every time you change the video mode. Here, change the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 9:16. Then give it a name and click on OK. Well, I won't recommend you to change the resolution because it will affect the quality of the project. Now, the video has been converted from horizontal to vertical mode. Now, select the upper clip and apply a filter named Size, Position and Rotate under Filters tab here or here. Then zoom it in according to your need using this section or mouse wheel. Well, if you don't see the position of the clip clearly, you can apply another filter named Opacity and decrease its level according to your need to place the clip where you see fit. Then adjust the position of the clip to one player by dragging this handle. And since I don't need the opacity filter anymore, I'm just removing it by first selecting it and then clicking on this minus sign. Well, instead of spending the same amount of time for applying the same filter on the other track, I'm just copying the applied filter from here and applying it to the specific part of the other track by first selecting it and then pasting it. And then just change its position to another player where you see fit. Now apply another filter named Mask Draw to the upper track. And click on New. It will open a new window. Here, instead of showing the layout vertically, it is showing horizontally because originally the layout of the project was horizontal, but it's still showing the vertical screen borders. Now, zoom out the screen by rolling the mouse wheel and select Layer and Fill options under Draw Bezier tool. And select the split area on this screen. And remember, at every point, press left click on the mouse. And when you are done selecting the area on the screen, press Enter to apply it. Then save it under File menu. And then quit or close this window. And here you can see that it's showing the split screen between the two clips. And if needed, you can readjust the position of the clip by selecting the filter named Size, Position and Rotate. Now, to add the stroke line, add another video track. And click on Animation under New Generator menu. Here, change the length of this animation. Let's say 20 seconds. And remember, keep it transparent and then click on Open. And then drag it to the new track. Well, since I've added 20 seconds, it won't go longer than that. So if you want to increase its length, change its time here. Now click on Edit here, and it will open the same window again. Now zoom out by rolling the mouse wheel, and this time under Draw Bezier tool, select Layer and Stroke options, and then draw a line on the split part of the screen. Remember, at every point of the stroke line, give it a left mouse click, and when you are done, hit Enter to apply. Now save the changes under File menu and quit or close this window. Well, since the video was in horizontal layout originally, it's not giving the precise split screen area while being in the vertical layout. So we need to adjust the position of the stroke line using the trial and error method. So select the stroke line track here and click on Edit. Then zoom out the screen and click on Edit tool here. Then click on the stroke line to select it. And then you can use the endpoints to adjust it. And while adjusting, you can use these tools too. And if you want to change the color of the stroke line, you sure can, either under Stroke tab here, or you can go here and find Stroke to not just change the color, but also opacity, width, and more. So to change the color, just double click on the color and select the color of your choice. And then hit Apply, and then OK. Well, you can change the width here. Just double click on it, and either you can use this slider to increase or decrease the width value, or you can add the width value manually. Remember, when you add the width value manually, hit Enter to apply it. And when you are done editing, just save it under File menu and close or quit the window. And here you can see that this is how the split screen with the stroke line will look like. Now export the project. And play it. And here you can see that this is how it will look like. And this is how you can convert horizontal videos to vertical videos and split them and add stroke line in Shotcut. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.